in the box?
Hi, and welcome to Photography. My name is Patrick, and today for What's in the Box, we got a shipment from Entertainment Earth. Very excited because I think this is a pre-order. Everyone's going to be excited to be receiving it in the mail. So without further ado, let's see what's in the box. It's exactly what I was hoping for. Woo-hoo. So, we finally got Zeb number 716 in the Mandalorian series. So they came out with that other wave. This was an exclusive to Entertainment Earth. Very excited for this one. Super excited. Been waiting for this. Had a quick cameo in the last season of The Mandalorian, which is pretty cool. And I know on the Star Wars Popcast, me and my co-hosts, Jedi Lex and Christopher from Seriously Star Wars, all of us were like hoping that they would make this. So very excited to finally have this in the collection. So let's open them up. Let's take a better look at them. And then what we'll do is we'll get him on the turntable and we'll compare him to the original Zeb that I recently just got. Number 137. So I recently got this off my buddy Tony over at Star Wars Sith. And this one, obviously from Entertainment Earth, just shipped it. So we're going to take a look at this one and we're going to compare it to this. And we'll get them both on the turntable so you can get a better look at each of them. So first look, awesome. He's got that kind of blue X-Wing pilot or Y-Wing pilot kind of outfit. Who knows what he's flying. But very cool. A lot of great detail in him. So I want you to take a look at that. That just looks phenomenal. Got that blue X-Wing, the pilot outfit, Zeb, his markings and everything. It just looks absolutely fantastic. So let's take a look at him and compare him to his previous model. So as you might have seen on a recent video, I recently finally got a Zeb from Tony over at Star Wars Sith, and I was very excited to have been able to add him to my collection because this is one I could not find. So we got both boxes there. Let's take a look at each of them. They're both cool in their own way. They're both cool. I do like both of them in each different way. So as you can see, this Zeb, a lot lighter in the color, has green eyes, whereas this one has just a way better head sculpt. And I'm not quite sure about the back with his facial markings and stuff like that, but I do like them. I mean, this one's a little bit older. You can see the beard's more grown in and stuff like that. I do like the feet on this one better than this version. Just in the way he stands, you can see he's kind of got that more kind of, I don't know how you say it, more creature-like legs, I guess you would think. I was thinking fawn-like or something like that, but just cool. To see both of them, both of them are very cool and very unique in their own way. But very glad to have both of them. So I'm going to place both the Rebels and the Mandalorian version of Zeb on the turntable so that you can get a better look at them. And please leave down in the comments. I'm very curious. Do you have the original Rebels Funko Pop of Zeb? Have you ordered the new one? Did you receive him recently in the mail? The Entertainment Earth exclusive? Very curious to hear what you guys have to say. So if you enjoyed today's content, please hit the like, definitely hit the subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode of Photography. Until then, may the force be with you.